Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I am doing a bike check because it's dark out and I can't do any videos. So, this is my Fit Chase Hawk frame. The rest of it's custom, and let's go check it out. All right, so we'll start with the front here. This is a premium rim with a Shadow Rant version 2 hub with regular spokes and brass nipples. The forks are Fit Shiv forks. They go with the bike. My headset is a FSA Impact headset. FSA makes really good headsets, so if you need a new headset, go get an FSA. This is a profile stem. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, the focus is kind of off. But yeah, it's profile stem. These are Eastern Wonder Year bars, 8.5 rise, I believe. ODI long neck grips. Right down to the middle. This is a We the People pivotal seat. I got it from my friend. That's why the hole's cut out in the top. It's kind of stupid, I know, but I have the profile sprocket. I really like it. It's light. It is really just like a good sprocket. Hasn't given me too many problems. These are Stolen Team cranks. The cranks are good, but the spindle that comes with it is complete shit. Like, I had to buy a profile spindle because the spindle on this one stripped out. So yeah, if you're gonna buy Stolen Team cranks, just don't even buy them. Just go buy some profiles because those are my next cranks. So I got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, as everyone does. My two tires are Kenda Contact 2.25 in the front. My back is a Odyssey 2.10. And then my back wheel is a Odyssey 7 KA rim. And the chrome's peeling like really badly. With an Odyssey Hazard version 1 hub. I got a Shadow Conspiracy Interlock version 2 chain that's all rusty. With double butted spokes and alloy nipples. I'm gonna be having some new bike. I'm gonna have a video up in a couple weeks of me and my friends riding. So make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice day.